A growing and diverse economy, a talent pool of forward-thinking young explorers, entrepreneurs, and families, businesses and people who have found their home and their future in a spectacular setting in the community of Salmon Arm. Salmon Arm offers a balanced lifestyle of community and exciting outdoor recreation. Salmon Arm is a small city with big ideas, whose combination of beauty and forward thinking attracts young explorers, entrepreneurs, and families of all ages. They're seeking a welcoming place that's open to innovative ways to build a life where they can do more, live more, and make more of a difference. Let's let everyone know that Salmon Arm is a small city with big ideas.